Tarot card of the day, the Parrot. Symbolism. The parrot stands for communication, clarity, and expression. It reminds us that our words carry energy and can influence both ourselves and those around us. Message for today: speak your truth with authenticity and kindness. Listen closely to what life repeats to you. It may contain the guidance you seek. Upright meaning, honest communication, inspiration through words, social connection, speaking with confidence. Reversed meaning, gossip and empty talk, misunderstandings, copying others instead of finding your own voice. The Parrot teaches, your words are powerful. Use them wisely.